Hey, this is Josh. Welcome back to the channel. High ticket affiliate marketing through multiple income funnel. Again, this training can be used for any promotion, but I want to show you how much money I made the previous month. I've been gone for a while, and I'm also getting over sickness right now. So my energy level is going to be lower, and I don't care. You're going to be getting the information. So here is an update on the high ticket affiliate marketing through multiple income funnel. And I'm really excited to share with you my first month's results. Again, this is a playlist. So if you're hopping in at day 4, you're going to miss day 0 and day 1, and you're going to feel like you're missing out because you don't know what's going on. So hop into the intro, watch that one first, and get going into the process of making your 6-figure business within a year. And so far, it's going very well. So let's go ahead and hop into the teams. I'm going to have to block out a lot of these email addresses, things like that. But as you can see, this is my team. This is everybody who signed up with me this past month. So right now I have 27 people signed up underneath me, 27 times just the first stream of income, which is $20 a month. Let's go ahead and do that math real quick. I'll go ahead and stop the video for you. Right, so that's $540 a month that I'll be getting from this from multiple income funnel alone. That's not including all the other streams of income that I've received in the past month. I've made over $2,500, and as you know, TikTok has been being a butt lately, and so one of my accounts got taken down. But the great thing about how we do this and how we do this on TikTok is that you just start another account, run it back. You don't need an account with 100,000 followers or to make a lot of money. And so the emails are starting to build up. Remember, I told you that when you're doing something like this, you've got to really wait for like month 3 and 4 before you start seeing money like this coming in. I have already had a list that I've built, but a lot of these, as you can see, TikTok, YouTube, TikTok, MLGS. One for my email, but as you can see, TikTok's been a huge one for this. Now let's look at the leads. These are people who come in, sign up, but don't sign up totally. They sign into the first funnel. But look at this, TikTok, TA traffic. That TA traffic's really important. TA traffic. This is all just in one day from TikTok. Look at that. April 4th. Page 2, which is another 25. April 4th, TikTok, YouTube, TikTok. I mean, this is crazy. 4-3. And guess what? Anytime that someone signs up for this, they're going to be getting emails from multiple income funnel, because multiple income funnel follows up for you. YouTube shorts. So make sure to be doing your YouTube shorts. Here's another YouTube. This is all in one day. More TA traffic. So make sure you buy your TA traffic. A lot more TikTok. That same day, we're still in the 3rd of April. Look at this. Boom. The day 2 or the second day of April, more TA traffic. And guess what? When they sign in like they did, they'll get all the follow-up emails so that you can still get these people as your team members. YouTube, look at all this. We're only on April 1st getting all these leads. Man, I just love it. Boom. So now that you've got a handle on that, let's go ahead and, you know what, let's check out the leaderboard. I like looking at the leaderboard. Let's look at the most leads so far this past week. Most referrals, most leads. All right, yep. I'm 3rd on the leaderboard with 95 leads. So it would only be the past 5 or 6 days. So people are doing really well, and that's really exciting. So keep moving forward. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about mindset. This is the time that you're probably feeling like really frustrated and like, oh, I haven't gotten many leads, I haven't gotten many sales. This is affiliate marketing. You continue to build that list. You continue to put it out there, continue to build. Remember that it's the mountain thing. You're going to feel like this little person at the bottom of this mountain, or the little person at the weight room, and you're just going to keep pounding away at this because you're going to constantly get this thing in your head that says, this isn't going to work, I quit. That's what 90% of people do, and the 10% are making hundreds of thousands of dollars online. So keep pushing through. When you have something in your head, those thoughts, if you have a negative thought like this isn't going to work for me, well, guess what? It's working for me, and by now you can trust me. But this isn't working for me. You're going to feel that way, and you're going to act that way, which means you're going to quit, or you're going to stop being consistent on TikTok or YouTube or even Quora, which is going to be the next training. Next video is how to get leads on Quora.com. But also just remember, like when you get those negative thoughts, just stop, say no. I'm in this for the long haul. This is what affiliate marketing is. And you're going to start feeling better about yourself. one of the things I always say is things always seem to work out for me. Now, that's not to put you in a state of laziness. That's just put you in a state of things always work out for me because I work hard. Things always work out for me. You're going to feel like that. You're going to act like that. When you act like that, that means you're going to keep pushing forward with this great energy to be able to get results. So continue forward. I'm going to be coming out with the next training on Quora. You're not going to want to miss this. This is going to be very exciting. And I've done very, very well with Quora in the past. So see you soon. Let's go make some money.